So now we're doing TryHackMe Pre-Security Linux Fundamentals Part 1, Task 3, interacting with our first Linux machine in browser. All right. So this room has an Ubuntu Linux machine that we can interact with all within our browser while following along with this room's material. However, to get started, we simply need to press the green Start Machine button below. Boom. All right. So sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. This time it seems like it's going to work. Let's go some more into it. So once deployed, a card will appear at the top of the room. All right. So let's check this out real quick. So this is nothing we need to worry about. Neither is this. This expiry or expiration timer. Basically, not too many people can use this thing at the same time. Earlier today, I clicked the button and said, oh, too many people are using it. Try it again later. So that's basically what's going on with this one. And then we can terminate it and we can add another hour if we feel like it. We don't need to add any hours though. Trust me. All right. So this contains all the information for the machine deployed in the room, including the IP address and the expiration timer, along with buttons to manage the machine. True. So remember to terminate the machine once we're done with the room, basically, like I said, because only so many of these can run on this site at the same time. So we want to let other people run the thing. You know what I'm saying? All right. So more info on this can be found in the tutorial room. Also, this is going to be pretty much open the whole time for the rest of these videos. So just letting you know, it's going to be like this all the time. For now, we're going to press the Start Machine. We already did, where we will be able to interact with our own Linux machine within our browser while following along with this room. So this is basically what the Ubuntu is looking like right now, right? So now let's answer the questions below. I've deployed my first Linux machine. We did. And there's that. All right. So now we're on to task 4, running our first few commands. And we'll see you next time.